Okay. So you're self-employed, you're frustrated with traditional mortgage requirements. This mortgage option is for you. At talktojosh.net, empowered by NEXA Mortgage, we know your income is real. So why should it be so hard for you to prove it? You work, you earn, but because it doesn't fit neatly on a tax return, you keep getting turned down for mortgages. That's why we offer the bank statement mortgage program, a smarter way to qualify for a mortgage based on what really matters. It's your cash flow. All right, we're going to talk about Amanda, David, and Jasmine. These are three self-employed borrowers that had some circumstances change, and we were able to help them get their mortgage done, okay? We look at 24 months of bank statements, personal, business, or both. We analyze how your income flows, how your business operates, and how your expenses stack up. It's common sense underwriting for real life entrepreneurs. Let me show you how it looks in action. Okay, so let's talk about Amanda. Amanda bought a business 9 months ago, right? She bought a little cafe, a little coffee shop. She had made the leap. She had always dreamed of owning it. Now here's the catch. Her business didn't have a full 2-year history. She had only owned her business for 9 months, but we got creative. We used her 9 months of bank statements combined with her financials from the seller, the one who sold her the business. And we painted a clear picture of income and business viability. Amanda was approved. She's now both a business owner and a homeowner. Her dream came true because I helped her understand how to look beyond the surface and see her real income. Okay, let's talk about David. David was a lawyer. He worked for a big practice for 2 years. And about 7 months ago, about 6 months ago, he turned, he hung his own sign. He went private practice, right? It was a great move for him, but no traditional lender would touch him. They said 7 months on his own wasn't long enough, but he had bought this business and it was thriving. Our underwriter saw the full picture. His bank statements showed steady deposits from clients. His overhead was low. He had no staff. He just shared an office space and a laptop. We applied the right expense ratio. We gave him credit where credit was due. David got the loan and he's closed. He and his family are in the new house because 7 months of independence didn't disqualify him. It just showed his full potential. All right, let's talk about Jasmine. Jasmine was a W-2 employee and she was killing it as a W-2 commissioned sales rep. But about 14 months ago, she went independent and started collecting a 1099. So she was working for the same company, but it was 1099 now. So when she applied for her mortgage, her tax returns didn't show enough income, and most of the banks said no. We said, let's look at the bank statements over the last 14 months. We started looking. The money was clearly there. We knew she was making it work, and we proved it. We proved it to the underwriters. Now Jasmine owns her own home. Her income story was told the right way. Everything went on. We progressed. We got it done. Okay, so what did these three stories have in common? They were all self-employed. They all had real income. They all needed somebody who could take a deeper look than just tax returns. That's what we do. We don't apply a one-size-fits-all rule. We consider you. We consider your type of business, your expenses, and how we can save this loan. So if you're a realtor and you got a perfect buyer, but they just have some kind of self-employment issue, let's talk. Let's see if we can not say no, but say yes. So go to talktojosh.net, click apply now, or give me a call today, 828-238-2682. I'll help you qualify with confidence, clarity, and a little bit of creativity. Your business income is real, even if the paperwork doesn't say so.